All right, this is part 2 of the walk on Highline. YouTube channel E-24G exclamation point. Please check it out. Comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Appreciate anybody who takes the time to watch the videos. I believe at this point I'm at about 20th Street on the Highline walk. Again, this is an above street level walk. Beautiful. I recommend to anybody visiting the city, first timers, come around. Nice Sunday walks. There are places to sit at, as you can see. I guess it's a nice, relaxing walk. The architecture in some of these buildings is pretty cool.
It has to be.
And again, just restaurants down here. Right now, this is 23rd Street, which is Chelsea. Continue to walk. And just so you know, here's the map. Entrance is by the Whitney Museum, and it goes all the way up to 30th Street, where the exit is at right there. Really close to Hudson Yards. Maybe we'll take a look at that too, and do everything all in a couple of videos, which will be great. These buildings in this area. Look at the balconies. Look at the space on these balconies. It's amazing. The amount of light that can come into that. It's an amazing looking building. Can't even imagine what the price for those would be. My imagination is they're being rented. Goodness, I would say up in the 5,000-6,000 a month at least. This area, and if those are being sold, probably a couple million. as we keep on moving forward. This is part 2 of the video. Windy day. It's a probably a cool photo spot. Let's take a look from above. Again, the Hudson's down there. That's where Henry Hudson Parkway. You have these benches over here. And in the case if someone doesn't want to walk anymore, you can actually exit. There are exits along the way. I just passed one right now. It was to my left. Look at this beautiful building over here. This is West 27th Street. There is the statue of a hare. What looks like a bell. And there are more dancing hares. And there's another one over there sitting here. And this is art by a guy by the name of Barry Flanagan. Love these, this building over here. How this building looks. It looks futuristic. Maybe a hotel. I really don't know. But this just looks amazing. This has to be a hotel. If anybody knows about this building right here, comment, subscribe, leave comments. We'll keep on going. I think we're nearing the end. Into what may be looking like a giant spaceship. My sense of humor is a little bit dry sometimes. But no, these buildings are just amazing in this area. I've actually haven't gone this far. And I'm originally from Manhattan. And I haven't seen these. So I'm very happy about this. And I think the finish line is coming up. Okay, this is the Bloomberg building. Just noticed it. And I think we are at Hudson Yards. That was amazing. If anybody wants a review of this, definitely take the walk. It's so worth it. Definitely, absolutely worth it. So let's see if we can go through here. And this is amazing. This was great.
I recommend going over to Lisper, checking out our artist brick house, and also the great views of 10th Avenue. You can walk back this way. This path on 30th is 2 ways. Yeah, 34th is not currently open.
Is that open or that to go?
You can go through Hudson Yards.
So
We
they're
also
in
have
the
our
process
spur
of
area where
planting.
there's the
This has
Mona
been
Valley
like this
sculpture
since
this way.
Alright.
You can check it out and walk back this way to exit if you want to.
I can go through here and go back.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So
So we have
either
to
way.
think about
All right, cool. Thank you. I'll check it out. All right, let's see what they have over here as far as the sculptures. And then, as you heard, the very nice lady over here. You can go back and check out this honeycomb building. Let's see what they have over here. This is pretty cool. One of the things I liked about it, if you guys want to go shopping, Hudson Yards has shopping. If you guys want to do just walking and not worry about crossing streets and dealing with cars, highly recommend it. Just do it and take the walk. It's amazing. Can't complain. And I see the sculptures that she's talking about. And then we can walk back. Let's see. It's cool. Let's take a picture of this. I'm sorry, take a video of this. See how much time I have left on this video. And here is the information on the bust. That was the one I just filmed for a moment. Alright. And based on that, about to finish this video second part here. And then I'm gonna go into the Hudson Yards area. Again, I'll see you guys soon. I appreciate your support and watching my videos.